In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Zoom support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any browser that you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once it's open, you'll want to navigate to the Zoom website by typing in zoom.us and hitting Enter. This will take you to the home page where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Type in the email address associated with your Zoom account and your password. If you're already signed in, great, you're all set. If you encounter any issues logging in, make sure to check your details or follow the prompts to recover your password. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to look for the support option. You can find this near the same top right area of the page, right next to other options like Contact Sales. Click on that support link, and what you'll notice is it opens up the official Zoom support page in a new tab. This page is your gateway to accessing a wealth of information regarding any issue you might encounter. Once you're on the support page, the first thing you'll see is the search bar that says, "Hello, how can we help?" If you have a specific issue in mind, this is a great place to start. Just type in the problem you're facing. For example, if you're dealing with issues regarding audio or video settings, go ahead and type that in and hit Enter. The search results will typically provide you with articles and guides that address your specific question or concern. If you're not exactly sure what you're looking for, or if you're just browsing for information, you can simply scroll down the page. Here, you'll find frequently asked topics. These might include categories like billing, account management, or even technical support. Take your time to explore these sections because they often contain helpful tips and FAQs that can quickly resolve common issues. Another great feature on this page is the ability to watch video tutorials. If you're more of a visual learner, these videos can walk you through various features of Zoom and troubleshooting processes in a straightforward manner. Now, if you've gone through the articles and videos and still have questions or need more personalized help, don't worry. You can simply click on the Contact Support option. This will open up a support chat where you can connect with a representative who can assist you further. So to recap, start by heading to zoom.us, sign into your account, and navigate to the support page. From there, you can either search for your problem, browse common topics, watch helpful videos, or directly contact support for additional help. And that's it. Now you know how to get in touch with Zoom support whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy Zoom!